Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video is the second in a series where I am taking 5 different advent calendars and I'm opening up one day at a time. And I will put a link in the description box down below to the nonprofit that I'm donating everything to. That's why I'm doing it so early, so I can get everything out of the boxes and donated as soon as possible. So the first calendar that I'll open is the OPI, the Nutcracker 4 Realms calendar. And this color is called Dancing Keeps Me on My Toes. It's kind of like an opalescent-y white. It's really pretty. And these are all from the OPI one. They're all going to be nail polishes. Next is from the NYX Sugar Trip palette. And this is a soft matte metallic lip cream. I don't know if that I've tried any of their soft matte metallic lip creams. It doesn't say what color. Oh, it's a Nantes, N-A-N-T-E-S, like the city in France. Again, not swatching, in the Body Shop. And this is a 2 ounce of the coconut body milk. This is a lotion, I think. This is nice. I love their coconut. I love everything from the Body Shop. So there's that. And then this is from Feel Unique. It's a little squishy, feels like a bottle. This is Filorgia micellar water. Anti-aging micellar water. So this is a nice kind of cleanser. Happy to be giving that to somebody. And last but not least is Space and K. And this is Miriam Quevedo Platinum and Diamonds Scalp Soothing Dry Shampoo. Interesting. I wonder if there's something different in this, especially because this is going to people in Provo where it's cold, especially in the wintertime. I wonder if there's something in here that is good for, doesn't say, but is good for kind of treating your scalp and not just for keeping everything clean. So that was day 2. Thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.